While most cryptos are chasing hype, one mysterious project rumored to be connected to Elon Musk's XAI company is quietly laying the groundwork for what some believe could become the next trillion-dollar digital empire. And no, it's not a meme coin. It's called XAI, a project that's stirring speculation across crypto and AI circles. And if the signals are real, it might just change everything. It's often associated with Elon Musk's AI company, XAI, though no official link has been confirmed. And while the public is still unsure what to make of it, the smart money is already watching closely, tracking movements, rumors, and early infrastructure signals across the crypto space. Let's break down what XAI really is, or might become, and why some believe it could evolve into one of the most important crypto assets in the next major cycle. There are many crypto projects that claim to use artificial intelligence, but only a few truly integrate real AI capabilities under the surface. From FET to AGIX and other emerging projects, the crypto space is full of bold claims about AI integration, but the depth and reality of that integration varies widely. But the truth is, most of them do not use real AI. They just follow the narrative to attract investors. Elon Musk's company XAI approaches the problem differently. This is not just another startup. It is a research company building advanced general intelligence. They are developing models that compete directly with OpenAI, Google DeepMind, and others. Now, rumors suggest that this same company may be exploring crypto infrastructure, though nothing has been officially announced. The challenge they are trying to solve is this: how can we embed artificial intelligence into crypto systems in a way that is reliable, secure, and decentralized? Most current AI services depend on centralized cloud servers. That makes them vulnerable to censorship, manipulation, or failure. XAI is aiming to change that by building a decentralized infrastructure where AI models can run, interact, and even evolve. It hopes to allow smart contracts to use artificial intelligence in real time. This means crypto applications would no longer need to rely on closed APIs or cloud platforms. They could operate with autonomous intelligence baked directly into their protocols. This is not a toy. It is infrastructure. It is about building a system where AI and crypto can truly merge. And that vision is not just theoretical anymore. XAI has already launched its first open source model called Grok, which is integrated into the X platform and trained using real-time data from millions of users. This model is being developed to match or exceed the capabilities of leading AI systems while being transparent and less restricted in how it answers questions. This would give XAI a potential edge if connected with real AI pipelines from a social network used by millions. While details are still being released, early signs show that XAI is being developed on a Layer 2 or Layer 3 blockchain framework. This means it may operate on top of Ethereum or other compatible chains. That gives it speed, flexibility, and composability with the existing ecosystem. But what makes it different is this: XAI wants to run AI computations directly through smart contracts or decentralized compute layers. That includes platforms like Bitensor, Gensen, or even new ZK-based compute networks being built in 2025. This allows real-time decision-making, learning, and response inside decentralized apps. You could build a trading bot that adapts based on market signals. You could create a social media filter that detects and removes harmful content automatically. You could even have entire autonomous organizations run by intelligent agents. You could have music engines that generate new songs in real time, paid for in XAI tokens, or AI tutors that teach based on individual student performance, operating on-chain with no central server required. One example being discussed is AI-powered arbitration in Web3 disputes trained on legal precedent, but executing within smart contract logic. To make this secure, XAI plans to use zero-knowledge proofs to verify AI decisions. That means the outputs can be trusted, but the private data does not need to be exposed. This is crucial for privacy. Given Elon Musk's public stance against data centralization and surveillance, some speculate that any future crypto initiative from XAI could prioritize privacy-preserving architecture, though nothing official has been announced. One potential framework being considered is a hybrid architecture, where inference happens off-chain using decentralized nodes, and outputs are validated and executed on-chain. This reduces gas costs, speeds up execution, and preserves scalability. There are also talks about enabling XAI to interact with other L2s like Base, Arbitrum, and Optimism, so AI models can serve requests across ecosystems, not just one chain. That type of interoperability could make XAI a foundational layer of AI access across Web3. Now let us talk about who is involved. XAI shares its name with Elon Musk's AI company, XAI, but no official token or crypto launch has been confirmed by the company. Elon Musk's XAI is integrated with X, the platform formerly known as Twitter, through its Grok AI model, but no official crypto connection has been confirmed. This means the potential integrations are massive. Imagine XAI being used for payments, content filtering, or recommendation systems inside the X platform, or even being connected to Tesla systems and data networks. On top of that, reports show that XAI is raising around $6 billion from major investors. These include top venture firms like Sequoia Capital and Andreessen Horowitz, and even sovereign wealth funds from the Gulf region. That kind of funding is not typical for a new crypto project. It is a strong signal that serious money is behind this. There are also wallet trackers showing early developer activity, including token allocation patterns and smart contract tests being deployed quietly across the Ethereum network. These kinds of movements suggest that infrastructure is already being built, and the social signal is strong. Elon Musk has made several posts hinting at reclaiming intelligence from centralized control. Some of those posts appeared just days before rumors about the XAI token began to spread. This is not a coincidence. He also mentioned in public interviews that his goal is to create an AI that seeks truth, not political correctness. By putting that AI into crypto rails, he gives it independence from corporate or governmental control. There is also chatter among venture capitalists that XAI tokens might be used to access premium inference requests, stake in compute networks, or govern future model upgrades. That means this token is not just speculative. It could serve a real function in how AI workloads are priced, managed, and distributed in the open economy. But let us not get ahead of ourselves. There are still many unknowns. Here are the real risks. First, centralization. If XAI is too tightly controlled by Elon Musk or his companies, it could compromise the principles of decentralization. That might scare off long-term crypto believers. Second, technology. Running AI on the blockchain is extremely difficult. The compute demands are high, latency is a problem, and it will require off-chain support systems, which might introduce new points of failure. Third, regulation. Elon Musk is a high-profile figure. Anything he touches gets attention from regulators. If the token is not clearly defined, it might face legal challenges, especially in the United States. Fourth, speculation. Just because a token is linked to a famous person does not mean it will succeed. Many past examples, like Dogecoin, show that hype can fade fast if utility is not delivered. Fifth, clarity. There is still no white paper, no confirmed use case, and no timeline for launch. That makes it risky for retail investors who are not following every update. And finally, competition. There are other AI crypto projects like FET, TAO, and RNDR that have built strong communities and working products. XAI will have to prove it is more than just a concept with famous backing. In short, this is still speculative. The foundation looks promising, but there are real obstacles ahead. Now let us step back and look at the big picture. Artificial intelligence and blockchain are two of the most powerful trends of our time, but so far, they have been mostly separate. XAI could be the bridge. If successful, it will not just be a coin. It will be a layer where AI and smart contracts meet, where intelligence becomes a programmable asset, and where machines can interact with value directly. Think about what that means. Imagine autonomous investment funds, self-optimizing logistics systems, real-time governance that adapts to feedback from its users. This is not science fiction. The pieces are already here. Elon Musk has already disrupted transportation, energy, space, and communication. Crypto and artificial intelligence could be his next frontier. And if he succeeds in building AGI and linking it with decentralized protocols, the results could reshape global markets. This is why some analysts are comparing XAI to owning the early protocols of the internet, but with intelligence natively built in. Some even speculate that long-term, XAI could connect with satellite infrastructure from Starlink, creating a global AI network that is uncensorable, scalable, and economically self-sustaining. For investors, this means a few things. Number one, watch for official updates. Do not trade based on rumors. Wait for confirmed smart contract activity, token releases, or partnership announcements. Number two, consider early exposure only through diversified strategies. That could mean small positions, index funds that might include XAI, or participating in testnets. Number three, think long-term. If this project succeeds, it will not be overnight. It will take time, iteration, and collaboration with the broader crypto ecosystem. XAI is not just a bet on a coin, it is a bet on a vision. One where decentralized intelligence becomes a core part of the internet. So what have we learned? XAI is still emerging, but it is not just another speculative token. It is a project backed by real research, major funding, and a clear vision to connect artificial intelligence with blockchain in a meaningful way. There are risks, there is no roadmap, and nothing is guaranteed. But for those willing to look beyond the noise, XAI represents something rare, a convergence of trends, a team with resources, and a chance to build the future of crypto with intelligence at the core. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Crypto Wayfarer. We break down emerging projects with clarity and context so you can navigate the market with confidence. Stay sharp, stay decentralized, and we will see you in the next one.